Hey, Dr. Rob.
Oh, hi, Karen.
Hey, I have a question. So, you have so many five-star reviews from your patients about improving not only their dental health, but their overall health. Can you tell me about a particular case that comes to mind?
I have this really one interesting case that comes to mind. Not only did it improve this person's health and life, but it really demonstrates the strong relationship between dental health and overall health. So this woman came to me in her 60s and super unhealthy. She was overweight, she had uncontrolled diabetes, and her teeth were loose, and her smile was really deteriorating. So the first thing that we did was evaluate her, and all of her teeth needed to come out. She had abscesses around most of her teeth, and she had a lot of bone damage from periodontal disease. And this is what happens from diabetes. Diabetes makes it gum disease makes it very difficult to control blood sugar levels if you have diabetes. So once her teeth were removed and we restored her mouth with dental implants, just the removal of the teeth stabilized her diabetes. Her A1C went down dramatically, and where she was always unstable before that, she became very, very manageable as far as her insulin injections, and that extended her life at least by a decade.
Oh my goodness. That's amazing.
Yeah, it was really a remarkable story. And what was also remarkable is when she came in to see me originally, she was kind of a difficult person to relate to. But I still took on the case. But through the course of it took 2 years before we were done with this case. We had to get her healthy and place the implants, we had to heal, and then we had to restore. And there were many different stages of her treatment. But over that 2 years, we became really, really close friends. And I never would have thought that from the outset. But that's the relationship that happens sometimes with these big restorative cases. It's like I always say to them, I always say when we're done, I go, we're married now because we're in this together, you know?
Don't, your wife might not like that, but
it's true. I say it to the men also. She might not like that either, but it is what it is, you know?
Well, it's obvious why you're the go-to source for implants.
Thank you.
Thanks, Dr. Rob.
You're welcome, Karen.